Why do our stomachs rumble? Though growling is commonly heard and associated with hunger, it is produced due to muscular activity occurring in the stomach and small intestines. Growling is more commonly associated with hunger because the sound is louder when the stomach and intestines are empty, and so the organ's contents don't muffle the noise. The gastrointestinal tract is a hollow tube that runs from mouth to anus, and its walls are primarily composed of layers of smooth muscle. When the walls are activated and squeeze, a process which is called peristalsis, the tract's contents mix and push food, gas, and fluids through the stomach and small intestines, generating a rumbling noise.
If you've liked Inkstall's edutainment, then go to inkstall.in and sign up for free. Producing our videos takes a lot of time. If you'd like to support Inkstall, you can do so on patreon.com/Inkstall. Please refer the link below to buy Inkstall's book on space, time, and beyond.